Hello friends, this is Shivan Sharas here, and today I'm going to give you some tips for the Pulsar NS200. This is my bike here, you can see this Pulsar 200 is a 2017 version, it is a BS4, like third stage 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you what you should, the accessories you should do using the Pulsar 200 NS. So let me show you. So friends, this is my Pulsar 200 NS, and I'll show you what accessories I'm using in this bike, and you should also use these things. So the first things I'm using is that mount. It's a mobile charging mount. It will have a charging port inside it. You can see this is a charging port. It is USB port, and you can have this grips for holding mobile phones. It is very good, and I have purchased it from Paytm and really cheap cost. But that I have that fog lamps you can use for the night. These are little bit big, do not use in the city. Please use these only in outside. But that I have the other one. These both are connected from the ignition. They'll work only after the ignition switch will be on. So we have these switches. This is for bike. This is for the light fog lamps. Let me show you how it works. See the fog lamp lights. I'm going to show you here. It really looks cool. Apart that, I'm having one more thing, that is parking indicators. If I turn it on and use any of the indicator, it will make blink both the indicators. So you can see that they look more cool. Let me let's start. See this now. You can use this. And I'm going to use, let me turn it off, and I'm going to use windshield also in some days. I'm looking for a windshield. Once I'll get the windshield, I will put this windshield here in the front, and that will look more good. So these are the things you can buy. This cost me only 600. These lights for 1100. Fitting charges are different. You can fit yourself, or you can go to the market and ask someone to fit. These switches are for 120 rupees, and wire cost me almost 40 rupees. So this is all for the Pulsar lovers, and please ride safe. Okay friends, this was my Pulsar 200 NS, and I'm using all these stuff with my bike. And if you want to know from where I'm getting these things, you can comment below. I'll let you know and ping you the link in the description. And thanks for watching me.